All right, good evening, everybody. Good evening. Welcome to the nighttime stream. What time is it? It is currently 7:45. We're going to be looking at a new hour candle here in 15 minutes. We are still in our trade from this morning, guys. This is on our $1,000 to $5,000 goal here, but we are still in the same trade. The Euro NZD sell is what we're in right now. Euro NZD sell. Sells, I should say. So here's what we're looking at. We'll do this from a top-down method here. On the day chart, this is bearish. It has rejected for 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be the 5th day in a row we've rejected the EMA ribbon and continued this downtrend. What's up, Matt? This will be the 5th day. That's terribly written. But yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days perfectly rejecting this area on the day chart. I'll top down. Sorry if you're looking at it on there. Top down to the 4-hour. Again, perfect rejection right here. We haven't broken up here. This was our break of structure. Our real zone is about right there. We haven't broken it. We're continuing toward the downside. Personally, on this one, I'm looking for TP2 or 3. And then on the 1-hour, we've had some great rejections all day. All of these are great signs of huge wicks with downward pressure. A lot of downward pressure, a lot of selling pressure. If we can break that, we should be home free to head down. And I think we're going to get a big candle out of it based off what I'm seeing here. We just got that ribbon flip right there on the 1-hour as well. So that's what we're looking at there. If you wanted to go a little further in depth here, we can go to the 15-minute. If you take a look at the 15-minute here, same kind of concept. We've had it reject kind of all day long since we entered it. A little spike here, and then pretty much just straight rejection. And now it looks like we're heading toward TP1. We are currently 10 pips in profit right now. So 10 pips in profit would make sense, being that we're risking 0.025 of a lot. That times 10 is going to give us $2.50 a lot, which is going to give us 10 pips worth, which would be about $25 in profit, $27 to be precise right now. So we're moving in the right direction going into today's trade. For those of you that are new, welcome. For those of you that are returning, also welcome. But I like where this trade's heading a lot on every time frame. That's the point I was trying to make. We doing all right though. 'Definitely liking what we're seeing on this new going into this new hour. $11 pips in profit. Navin, what's going on? How are you? Welcome to the stream. What's going on? How are you today? seeing some good price action on this one. GBP CHF was doing the same thing. Euro USD. I'm glad we got out of that with profit. But this is really nice looking. I'm good, man. We're just trading, making some money, trying to. Moving in a really good direction here, though, guys. We kind of waited it out through the storm today, and we are moving solid. Just got a new 5-minute. Let's see what we got here. So the EMA ribbon will help you with that, as well as fair value gaps. On a higher time frame, like a 4-hour, you can see that once the EMA ribbon flips with the 25-day over the 50-day, it changes direction. Happens almost every single time. And then we use on smaller time frames fair value gaps as support and resistance. In this case, we're using it as a resistance. As you can see, this one right at the ribbon flip right here created a fair value gap with full candle closure below. That's 3 of our rules, and we have a confirmed downtrend for the 4th rule. That's what helps us take the trade. So essentially using EMA ribbons and fair value gaps to indicate entry points based off overall trend and break and retest areas of key levels. That's where we're at with that. There you go, Josh. What's up, man? How are you? Hope you're doing well. We still have a 1.7 spread pip right now. Pip spread. But we're heading in the right direction here. $21 pips is TP1. Check my other account real quick. Yeah, we're not doing too bad here. Yeah, we're getting some good movement. All time frames look like sells, and the technicals as well are pretty much all strong sells. Especially the ones that we care about, the 1 hour, the 2 hour, the 4 hour, all looking like strong sells. I think it's just a matter of time before we see a pretty big drop off here. EMA ribbon, all EMA ribbon.